You can use either bar charts or line charts to display trends, that is, changes in data over time. But line charts can express some trends more clearly than bar charts can. This tutorial will explain situations that call for a line chart rather than a bar chart. First, use a line chart to display multiple trends at once. You can do so with a grouped bar chart, but the columns interrupt one another so that it is difficult to interpret the trends. Different colors for different lines on this line chart not only allow the lines to cross each other, but also allow the viewer to interpret the trends much more easily. Second, use a line chart to display a trend that has many points. This chart represents a different value for each month over the course of multiple years, so the points are very close together. A line chart can handle such a display much better than a bar chart can. Third, use a line chart to emphasize the rate of change. You may not always wish to make this emphasis, but if you do, choose a line chart. A bar chart just does not trace the change from one point to the next, but a line chart does. Fourth, use a line chart to measure something other than volume. For example, if you need to display measurements for price over time, a bar chart may not be appropriate, since the columns imply volume. For such a situation, a line chart is more appropriate. A bar chart is often used for income, revenue, and other quantities, whereas a line chart is used to display price, interest rates, and other qualities that do not imply volume. Now, you may say, I do wish to emphasize volume, but because I have many points to measure, I also wish to use a line chart. A variation of a line chart, called a surface chart, would work well in that case. Because the area between the line and the x-axis is filled in, the surface chart implies volume. With these tips in mind, you can increase your confidence in choosing between bar charts and line charts for your data displays.